Hello, my dear children. I'm here to introduce the new letter through Phonic Letter Magical Story. Do you all know why it's magical? Because we are going to guess the letter through the story. Once there was a gym trainer named Eddie who used to enjoy doing different exercises at home. He had a home gym where he would exercise daily for long hours. On the treadmill, on the gym cycle, one day while lifting the heavy dumbbells, he got hurt in his left elbow. So he went to the physiotherapist for his recovery. Doctor treated him and gave him an envelope that had a list of certain physical exercises and a diet to recover his left elbow. He followed what was told by the doctor. He ate various vegetables, especially eggplant. That's when he felt energetic again. From very next day, he felt excited to do the exercises all over again. Eddie enjoyed exercises, elbow, envelope, eggplant, energetic, excited. So, my dear children, you all must have guessed the letter we have learned through the story. Let me draw the letter on this book and you see if you are correct or not. So here goes. Start from the top, go down, make a standing line. Then lift your pencil, go at the top and make a sleeping line from left to right. A little big one. Then lift your pencil, go at the center, make a sleeping line from left to right, this time a short one. Then lift your pencil, go down, make a sleeping line from left to right, same as the line on the top. This way you have made a letter. Now on another page, start from sleeping line from left to right, make a C and that's how you make the letter. So are you able to identify which letter is this? Yes, that's a capital letter E and small letter E. So children, wasn't it fun to learn the letter through the story? Also, we have learned the letter words, which were Eddie, enjoy, exercises, elbow, envelope, eggplant, energetic, excited. So the sound we get is eh, eh, eh. You just have to open your mouth a little and keep the sides of the tongue slightly touched at the bottom of the side teeth, and lips and jaw should be loose and relaxed. The sound which you get is eh, eh, eh. So my dear children, now you know how to say the letter and how to write the letter as well. So till next time, practice this letter formation and the sound of letter. I will see you in the next video. Bye children and keep learning.